Hi traders, Trader Tom here from Simply Forex, the channel created to help you understand the charts. In today's vid, guys, I'm going to give you every single one of my trades that I am looking at. And if you stay till the end of the vid, I'm also going to give you how, where, and why I am going to trade them. We're going to do that, and we're going to give you the important news for today as well, so stay tuned. Let's look at the trade ideas. Let's not mess around. Let's get stuck in. So our first trade idea is this. Okay, and it is Aussie dollar against the Canadian dollar. Now, this was a trade idea at the start of the week, right? Because we were basically ranging between here and here. Yeah, price had come up. We're still in an uptrend at this point. That's worth pointing out. But we were just ranging. Okay, then eventually we started to see higher lows, and this is a bit of a telltale sign that price is going to break, and that's exactly what happened. We got this nice big bullish candle, right, and we were looking to take buys, right? Structure break, uptrend, and there's lots of room to move into. Okay, so let me just show you let me show you on the weekly chart. Right, I mean, there's loads of room to move into. We're just taking it to the next psychological level, this 6250 level, right? If I go back to the day chart now, right, ever since we made that break with this bullish candle, yeah, the following day we got this bearish candle, right? And I'm just not, remember guys, I'm an intraday trader. And if I see a candle like that, I'm just not interested. Yeah, I don't want to buy into that. But then yesterday, we got this candle, right, which is bullish. So it's retraced into our area of support. Yeah, this larger gray zone here. Okay, we got a bullish-ish. That is a word. A bullish-ish reaction, right? So it's not super bullish. So what I'm going to wait for is a structure break. Okay. Now, if we drop down. And my target is still up here, guys. My higher time frame target is still up here. Yeah, but I'll take some profit before then. So yeah, we're looking to buy this pair, right? Uptrend, retrace, bullish-ish candle. Yeah, take price higher. If we drop down to the H4, you can just see we are just in this, just a box of indecision, right? We don't know who's winning here. Right? We really don't. Yeah, it's just buyers and sellers fighting it out. Okay, and we need to see a winner, right? If we drop down to the H1, again, you can just see this box of indecision, has been going on for days, right? Now, all I want to see, guys, is a break of this box. Yeah, remember, I want to buy this pair because the day chart is in an uptrend. So I just want to see a candle that breaks out of here, a bullish candle, then I will start buying this pair. Put my stop below this box and then look to take price higher. All right, and it's as simple as that, guys. If we get a breakdown of this box, and we start seeing a bearish candle, not interested because it's against daily trend. All right, so I just want to see bullish break of this box. We can get in on this trade. So that's the first trade idea. The second trade idea is gold. You are gold. And guys, before I show you my second trade idea, if I could just ask everyone, if you're interested to speak to like-minded traders, share trade ideas and knowledge, then please come join our free Discord channel. If you would like more than that, and you would like access to my trade signals, also access to numerous tutorials that I've created, and direct access to me, yeah, you can ask me any questions you like, then please come join our VIP Trading Academy. And also right now, if you sign up with one of our preferred brokers, you can get access to these things and discounts, all right? So check out that promo as well. All the information is all in the video description. And it's also worth pointing out right now that I have a daily live stream. So come join us at 8 a.m. New York EST time. Get all your questions ready. You can ask as many questions as you like. Gold, right? Gold is the next one. Yeah, we've been looking at this since the start of the week, right? We broke out of this trend line. My God, that's the worst line I've ever drawn. You can see this blue trend line, right? Price was coming down, but we have broken out. Okay, not only have we broken out of this trend line, we've broken this high, I mean, and even this high, right, with this big green bullish candle. All right, we're in an uptrend. Okay, we're above the moving average 20. Lots of reasons to like this trade. And again, yeah, from the start of the week, I was looking to buy this candle, right? And I'm still in this trade and to take it back up to these highs. Then we saw a very bearish daily candle, but this is actually an inside candle, believe it or not, right? It's inside the previous candle. And then if we see a bullish candle after that, it's normally a good setup to long, right? Now, this bullish candle isn't exactly super bullish, right? Like the Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar candle, it's not super bullish. So we need to see a structure break on the lower time frames to come higher. And this would be my first target, right? If not back up to here. So uptrend, right? We're now going to look at the H4. And, you know, H4 or H1, yeah, it's the same level. So let's take a look at the H1 so we can see it a bit more clearly, right? So you can see it was once support and then it's become resistance. So all we want, guys, is a break through this level. Yeah, we get a nice bullish candle, break through this level. We can start buying in here and take price back up to here. Put your stop below the last swing low or even down here if you really want to protect yourself, as you know, from this trade, and then take price higher, right? So yeah, gold, guys, looking to buy it back up to here, close 80%, right, and then leave 20% to run. Also looking at one more trade. So those two are my trade ideas, but I'm also looking at Euro Aussie dollar because I like the weekly chart, but we are seeing support. So let's look at the weekly chart on Euro Aussie dollar, right? So let's zoom in so you can see the candles and price action. Right, first of all, we are in this downtrend, Euro Aussie dollar. Yeah, clearly. And then look at these wicks, right? Look at the wicks on those candles. That is heavy rejection. That is heavy selling pressure, right? And even last week's candle has very little bottom wick, right? There is a lot of selling pressure on that weekly candle. Okay, and then if I zoom out, you can see we have free air. Yeah, we like free air. It's also the name of could be the name of an airline, right? So we want to take price down to this 5,950 psychological level because that's the first time we see potential support here, right? So we like the weekly chart. We look at the daily, right? Sellers are back in control, right? We've got sellers, you know, iffy sellers. Even this bullish candle as a top wick, sellers, and yesterday's candle, sellers, right? But we're hitting into support here, right? We are. But I'm still looking at this trade. If we look at Euro Aussie dollar, let me adjust my grey zone now, right? Because I just wanted to include these last highs. Maybe we get, you know, a bit of a situation where we find ourselves in this range as a result. So if price comes back up into here, I think we've got some good value to start selling Euro Aussie dollar. And really, that's the only trade, guys, because, you know, if we, you know, how I would also trade is if we get a break of these lows. But if we get a break of these lows, we are directly at a buying level. Okay, so we want to see a retrace back into here, and then we could potentially start selling. All right, guys. So yeah, those are my trade ideas. Let's take a look at the important news now. So news for Wednesday, the 10th of July, guys. Before I get started, please don't forget to join us for the live stream, 8 a.m. New York EST time. We'll look at the live charts, get all of your questions ready. Come join us for that. Also, subscribe and smash the like button. Merci beaucoup. Right, it's been a busy news day already. So overnight, we've had CPI coming out of China, which was worse than expected, you know, and PPI that was as expected. So this could have a negative impact on the Aussie dollar. But Also, big news, yeah. At 3 o'clock, this is all London GMT. We had the interest rate decision coming out of the Bank of New Zealand, right? It was as expected, but whatever was said in this statement or whatever was written in this statement, we've seen some real weakness come into the New Zealand dollar. All right, so must be aware of that, guys. And I've just stayed away from New Zealand dollar pairs. I'm going to let that news die down. But that's been and gone. The news we're interested in is this. If you trade oil, right, obviously at 12 o'clock, you've got the OPEC monthly report. So that's going to be super important. But the big one today really is this, guys. At 3 o'clock, we've got Fed Chair Powell testifying. He's quite important. You may have heard of him. Yeah, so he can really move the markets as he did yesterday. Okay, and then after that at 3:30 we've got crude oil inventory, some more news on oil, but also US dollar and Canadian dollar. They are all interlinked. And then finally at 6 o'clock London GMT, we've got the 10-year note auction. Yeah, so that could move any US dollar pairs. All right, guys. So yeah, reasonably busy news day. So tread carefully. Yeah, don't forget to join me for the live stream later. Have a great trading day. Adios, amigos.